Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your GC app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on profile down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on measurement system, just click on it here, and here can you select if you want to add USA only or metric and USA. Then you click here on done, then it's going to add with you here. So that's all you have to do to select this on your GC app. That's all. I wish you I get it. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.